Pero gusto kong malaman mo na I'm still the baby Josh. You know? Thank you for doing your best and taking care of us. I love you too. Siyempre ikaw, baby ko. Hindi niya naman ako in-inform. Iiyak ang system dito.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Forever Here. I hope that you are all doing well. I have been looking forward to watching this all weekend, and I know that by the end of this I'm going to be a complete mess, as most of you were. I'm really grateful that this has been served and that we get to spend this one-on-one time with Josh and his mum, and him cooking as well. How exciting is this? I think this is a wonderful opportunity for Josh, and I'm really grateful, to the 18 subber community, because they were all on this, ready to sub it, but also the official channel added subtitles, and I'm so grateful. I mean, I'm not in the market for an appliance, but if I ever am, I will definitely look to Hanabishi, because what an amazing thing to do. I really was not expecting for them to sub this at all. So I thought this was going to be like a cooking vlog. I think it is, but then we are going to get talking and get vulnerable. Now that is what I really love about Josh and all of the members of SB19, that they talk openly and they allow themselves to be vulnerable. They include their families. We've met their family members, and I just love all of this openness, because through talking about it, like, I mean, I'm just guessing what they're going to be talking about, but through talking about their experiences on shows and vlogs like this, not only are they going to heal and move forward, but so many people out there that have been through similar stuff are also going to do the same. And these are the kind of people that I want to look up to, that I think are my role models, and that I want to support. I want to support real people. Enough talking from me. So do you want to watch this culinary, absolutely hilarious 101 with Josh Cullen? Yes, you do. Get a tissue.
Hello, what is up, everyone?
So handsome.
It's been a long time. Ngayon lang ulit ako nakita na magbablog at hindi na po ako marunong.
It's been
Pero
too
ngayong
long.
araw, kita nyo naman, naka-apron tayo. It means matitikman nyo na ang luto ng Josh. De, pero alam nyo kasi meron ako mga private streams. Meron ako mga ginagawa recently na, alam nyo, nagluluto-luto kapag madaling araw.
Tell me right now, is this true? Do I have to subscribe?
At alam ko marami nag-request sa inyo na gusto nyo makita kung paano nga ba ako magluto. Pero wait, there's more. Kasi meron akong makakasama. Non-stop! Enthusiastic! Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious! Na aking nanay! Mama!
Talagang supercalif.
Ano?
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
So ngayong araw po ay kami ay magluluto. Naisipan namin, syempre, together with Hanabishi, pinagsama po kami, magluto daw kami ngayong araw. Ano masasabi mo doon?
Ba, thank you, Hanabishi. O, diba?
Ready ka na ba magluto?
Ready na, ikaw.
O, tara na! Let's go!
Game!
What are they going to be making? It looks like a sweet, innocent show, doesn't it, going into
So,
this?
yun nga, ano ba mga lulutuin natin ngayon?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
Barbecue.
Barbecue.
Ano isa? Garlic.
Garlic Garlic lang lulutuin mo?
Garlic bread
Garlic
nga.
bread?
Yum.
Panulak.
Siyempre, si apple juice.
Wow, galing-galing naman ang nanay ko. Nag-rehearse. Ako talaga, ang masasabi ko the best ang spaghetti ni Mama. Walang tatalo for all occasions, birthday, Christmas, New Year, o kahit ano pa yan. Ano mo masasabi mo? Ano bang naaalala mo kapag kumakain tayo? Nagluluto ka ng spaghetti?
Sa spaghetti. Yung spaghetti kasi, all-time favorite ng family din namin kasi yun. Si Mama ko kasi ang pinakamagaling din magluto ng spaghetti. So yung spaghetti ng recipe ko is derived from her.
Passed through generations.
Sa mga...
Tsaka wala kaming...
Ninuno pala ng ano yan.
Mga ninuno ka naman, lola mo lang yun.
Nung wala kaming pera, sabi ko, Mama, magbenta ka na ng spaghetti. Ba't di ka nagbenta?
Mahal ang puhunan.
Ayun. Mahal kasi ang puhunan namin for spaghetti. Kaya naman, kapag meron lang kaming pera, nakakain ng spaghetti during those tough times, di ba? So, yun nga, bago tayo
Look at him, he's such a grafter. So even back then, he was thinking up of different ideas of how they could better their situation.
Kaya kan, tara, luto na tayo. Mamaya, ano pa naman
really?
lala natin eh.
Crying baby. O sige.
So, ayan po. Igigisa na natin. Ito
Was this filmed the other way round?
Kanyang sibuyas.
Or does he just know that they always end up crying together?
Hindi tayo matalasikan ng malupitan.
Medyo mainit na kasi.
Hinaan lang natin ng konti para...
Sige na, kaya mo yan.
Tapos, alam nyo...
Look at how handsome he
pagka
looks.
nagluluto kayo, alam mo kaagad, hawak pa lang ng chance, alam mo na kung marunong siya magluto.
Totoo.
Yeah, that's true.
Ganun ko lang nakikita ko marunong magluto yung mga tao.
Oh,
I'm
diba?
left-handed.
Marunong. Naalala mo ba nung nagluto ka sa bahay?
So, my mum tells me all the time I can't cook.
Nagluto mo ng hotdog.
I know, it's rude.
Oo.
I
Siyempre,
can.
yun yung mga una mong mga entry level.
Entry level niya, kaso hindi niya tinanggal yung balat.
Oy, grabe naman. Tignan mo yung ganun ba?
Oo, meron ka nun, maliit ka.
Ito na yung giniling natin na nakaminudukat.
Ang secret jam, dahil matigas pa siya, kesa kung wala kayong pangtunaw o whatsoever, kailangan i-chop-chop.
At meron po tayong bagong kaalaman kay Kumaring Aldrin, Chef Aldrin. At kung gusto niyo po magpaluto, at ayun, invite niyo po siya sa inyong mga kasal.
Oy, grabe.
Catering service. Ngayon naman, this is a fun experience kasi magkasama kaming magluluto.
It's nice to see this side of him.
Ano niya ako lagi, mama, magluto ka na lang. Pero I do find time para magluto para sa kanila. Lalo na pag hinihingi ni Josh.
O habang nag-wait, dance break muna.
Yes.
Dance break! Dance break! Dance break! Come on!
Salbahe ka.
Katama kami na sayaw mo, ma. Dati sabi mo, dancer ka, di ba?
Oo,
Dali,
gento.
tuturuan kita. Sabayan kita. 5, 6, 7, and... Gento! Gento! Dito basta-basta bingo! Bingo! Mga kompleto gento! Gento!
He forgot his own lyrics.
Nakikita ko sa video to, hataw na hataw eh.
You need to put na the sauce.
So, pagkatapos natin ilagay ang spaghetti sauce, nilalagyan po namin ng banana ketchup.
Oh.
Siyempre, Pinoy tayo eh.
Yes.
Banana ketchup. Sa
Layo
akin,
ka, layo.
ako personally,
That's a
yung
lot of
ketchup sa bahay,
ketchup.
kailangan kumpleto. May tomato,
So
may
this is going to be
banana.
super sweet.
Yun naman ang pinaka gusto ko sa mga
What's that?
cooking habits si Mama.
Stock cube.
Parang, siguro yun na rin yung nadala ko na kapag merong mga may sabaw, titignan ko muna kung may option ba na pwede siyang igisa.
Kakaiba rin kasi ang spaghetti ko. Lalagyan ulit natin ng laurel leaves. Lalagyan ulit natin ng pepper. Oregano. Basil. Ito na sikreto ko. Mahilig kasi ang mga anak ko sa
Do they?
So, I make it more spicy. So, lalagyan natin ng a dash. Dash talaga. Oh, anak, doon ka muna sa ano.
Ayun nga,
barbecue.
yun nga yung bala kong gawin kasi medyo matagal na yan eh.
Para sabay-sabay na to
Sige.
para makakain na
Alay ko na muna yung barbecue. So, ito nga,
Do it.
meron na tayong nakamarinate ng ating barbecue. At kung makikita nyo, ayan. Kayo yan eh. Lulutuin ko na kayo. Siyempre, bubuksan muna natin ang ating griller. Alam nyo ang maganda
Cute.
dito. Wala talaga siyang usok. So, okay na okay for indoors. Well, marami naman nakakalam talaga na ever since, alam nyo naman yon, kaya nga kayo, barbecue.
I love that he addresses 18 so directly.
Ko naman talaga. Diba? Ang ating barbecues. And I think medyo okay na siya. Yet, iilagay na natin. Ganito na lang, para mas marami mailagay.
That actually really looks
Ang
like a
gusto
good
ko lang
grill.
talaga dito, well, syempre nothing beats yung may, yung outdoor na may charcoal. Pero kung mag-i-indoor ako, ito yung gusto ko dito. Hindi dumidikit. Hindi rin nasusunog yung pan niya, yung griller.
Look at him selling
Kaya
this.
parang, alam mo yun, very convenient. Wala pang usok. So on the go
Smokeless.
talaga, on the go, ito yung, for me, logical na dapat ginagamit kapag meron kayong
Yeah.
griller sa bahay. So ma, alam mo naman na season of Mother's Day ngayon. Ano bang mga wish mo para sa Mother's Day?
Simple lang gusto ko. Gusto ko magkasama-sama tayo. Naalala mo, bira tayong mag-celebrate ng mga Mother's Day. O yun na nga, dahil medyo wala rin kaming extra money. Wala lang. Ano lang kami, magsasabi lang, Happy Mother's Day, Mama, ganyan. Gaganon lang sila sa akin. Pero yung memorable namin, kumain ba tayo sa labas noon dati? Kumain kami sa labas, siya nag-treat. Mother's Day. Yun, tuntuwa na ako noon.
Well, talaga namang
Which is fine.
Letter niya. Kasi ako talaga, mama's boy talaga ako nung bata ako.
Cutie.
Oo, kumanta pa yan sa akin eh. Yung Mama,
Spice Girls?
I love you, miss
Did you?
Kasi, di ba, parang
He wasn't expecting his mom to say that.
mama's boy ako, wala akong papa. Wala akong tatay. Talaga naman.
Patay na naman ako! Yari na naman ako, Day!
Hindi, sinasabi ko.
Sabi ko sa iyo
I mean, obviously, wala naman tayong
Bakit ba ako?
Hindi yun Parang sinasabi ko na.
Barbecue na lang kayo dyan!
Talaga namang, obviously, si mama yung kasama ko. Sa mama's boy talaga ako. Alright, para
That doesn't always work out like that, but yeah, okay.
Kaya pwede na natin i-prepare ang ating garlic bread. Doon naman tayo.
Una, mag-spread na muna tayo ng butter, syempre. You have choices of garlic, parsley. Yung parsley kasi pampaganda kulay. Pampalasa rin. Para mag-garlicky flavor siya. So, ganyan lang. Spread lang. Then, ito yung masarap. Ito yung twist.
What's the twist?
Yung ating
What's that?
Egg.
salted egg powder.
What on earth is salted egg powder? I cannot even imagine what that tastes like.
So, ayan. Ganyan lang anak ang pag-prepare. Tapos, nalagay mo lang siya dito.
Isa lang?
I can't wait for them to serve this up.
Gagawa pa tayo. Wait lang. Namimiss ko to. Yan. Nagbabanding.
Share ko lang, gamer pala si mama. Well, yung buong family namin, gamer. Tapos, kaya namin nakuha yung, siguro yung trait na paglalaro. Dahil mahilig talaga niya maglaro. Tsaka yung ibang mga kapatid niya, very competitive. And siya, ayan, hanggang ngayon, talagang nag-computer pa rin siya, mobile games.
Ayan, okay.
I get the feeling if you ever want to have a really difficult conversation with Josh, you should do it when he's preoccupied with another task. He really opens up like this.
So, nagawa na natin lahat ng pambara. Kaya dito naman tayo sa ating panulak. And we're gonna make an apple juice gamit itong juice extractor natin. Ilalagay natin itong fruits, fresh fruits. Alam niyo, mahilig talaga ako sa mga asim katulad nitong apple juice. Dahil sobrang convenient niya. Tingnan natin makita natin. Ayan Pili ko mas mapapadalas ako mga fresh fruit juices. In fairness man, dami natin nagawa. Ang productive natin kasi nag-spaghetti tayo. Nag-barbecue tayo. Tapos tawag ito, garlic bread.
Dami,
and then makapag-apple juice pa tayo.
O, syempre.
Gusto mo magsinigang pa tayo?
Wala na tayong sangkap.
Hindi, pero alam mo, napaka-practical mong nanay. Kasi, alam mo, dahil kay Hanabishi, nagawa natin lahat to. Ako, personal favorite ko yung griller. Kasi, alam mo yun, yung pagka nagluluto tayo, wala talagang maaamoy na usok, hindi ka babaw. Alam mo yung parang feeling na parang magsasamgyup, mag-ano ka, nasuhurid ka kasi after, di ba? Yung suot mo, lalo na pag nakaayos na ako, papasok na ako schedule. Ayun, yun ang maganda dyan, kaya lagi ko yung ginagamit. Ayun, tapos na tayo magluto. So, anong kasunod? Siyempre, alam mo naman.
Kain na!
Ayan.
Paborito ko!
Ayan. O dahil Mother's Day season ngayon, ako magsasandok.
Sweet?
Look how handsome he looks.
Gusto ko to.
Ayun naman tayo sweet na. Ikaw lang.
This is so nice.
Ano naman yung nafe-feel mo ngayon?
Happy. Siyempre, bihira na kami magkasama ni Josh Kaya, ang sarap ng feeling na nakakasama ko siya ngayon.
Ayun, gusto ko lang siyempre yung magpasalamat. Yung mga times na walang-wala, yung kailangan natin, alam mo yun, yung kailangan ko ng someone to lean on.
Yeah.
Hindi ka sumuko. Well,
that's why moms are like
perfect.
the
Hindi
best.
Perfect family. Tatlo lang kami before nag-aaway-away pa madalas. Pero ang importante kasi yung kaming tatlo, walang bumitaw. To be honest, yung ko sa kanila ko natutunan yung family first talaga. So, kahit talagang marami na kami pinagdadaanan,
Yeah.
Alam mo yun, talagang tutulungan pa rin naman yung isa't isa. I-share mo sa akin yung ganong insights. And hanggang ngayon, dala-dala ko siya. Naging SB19 ako. Yung drive ko na magsumikap talaga galing din sa kung ano yung mga pinagdaanan namin before. Kasi yun nga, galing kami sa wala eh. So gusto ko talagang maging successful para sa atin. And ngayon na kahit paano, medyo unti-unti nagagawa ko na yung parang or nakakapundar na tayo ng mga pwede na kaya paunti-unti lang para mas gumaan ang buhay natin. Masaya ako kasi kasama ko pa rin kayo.
I love you, anak, kasi hindi lang dahil sa sumikat ka or whatever. Hindi yung kasikatan ng importante sa amin eh. Ang kasi importante sa akin is he made me proud because he is now a good influence to other young people out there, kahit kanino. Marami kasi nagsasabi sa akin na malaki ang naitulong nila sa buhay ng mga fans. And natutuwa ako. Kasi ito matyaga talaga din to eh. Parang ako rin to eh. Sobrang tiyaga. Hindi ito tutigil. Kaya pursigido siya. Nakita ko yung journey niya bago siya mag-SB19. Hindi biro. Sobra. Talagang dugo, pawis, literal. Literal yon. Naglalakad yan from Ortigas hanggang sa amin sa may bunga Pasig. Naiyak ako. Kasi, tapos, yung kanyang sapatos nung sasalita ng ganyan. Pero, dikit lang kami ng dikit noon. Kasi, konti lang ang budget namin eh. So, ngayon, thank you talaga. Kasi, dahil sa inyo, mga 18, dahil sa inyo, eto ang mga anak namin.
Oh my gosh!
Nyo, sinusuportahan nyo. Kaya, happy kami dahil nakakapagbigay rin sila ng suporta sa inyo bilang mga idols nyo sila. Kasi idol din naman namin sila. Pare-pareho lang tayo idol din namin sila. I'm so proud of you, anak.
Oh, I think he really needs to hear this. They've been through so much.
Mahirap tingin, di ba? Pero, ayan, naging crying baby tuloy ako.
And you just made everyone into a crybaby too.
Kasi nga, marami po kami talagang pinagdaanan. Hindi po biro. Then, dahil sa blessing ng anak ko, kahit paano hindi namin nararanasan yung mga nahirap na pinagdaanan namin. So, thank you. Hindi ko alam, iiyakan po na dito.
Mama, naiyak din ako eh.
He really needs to hear this.
Siguro gusto ko pasalamat sa iyo, Ma. Kasi laging tough love ako when it comes to family. Gusto ko talagang i-comment ka. Kasi lagi mo namang, alam kong marami kang frustrations, hindi naman natin ginusto yung mga nangyari. Pero gusto kong i-comment ka syempre, for trying na merong magkaroon ng pa rin, na kahit matanda ka na, naggagawa ka pa rin ng something. Hindi, I mean kasi diba yung iba, tumitigil na doon. Ikaw parang nag-explore ka pa rin. And salamat kasi basically hindi naman ako makakarating dito kung hindi dahil sa mga pinagdaanan natin, sa'yo, sa kapatid ko. Salamat sa alam mo yun, sa pagbigay buhay sa amin, pag-try na palakihin kami. And although syempre hindi tayo perfect, hindi talaga masasabing, okay, lumaki tayong maayos, smooth sailing, pero tinry mo. And yun yung importante dun. At dahil Mother's Day season ngayon, meron akong
a gift? Did he bring her a letter?
Letter?
Oh no.
para sa'yo. Basahin mo.
We?
Oo nga.
She's so cute. I want to give her the biggest hug ever.
Hi Ma, happy Mother's Day. I've been tough when it comes to family and you. Pero gusto kong malaman mo na I'm still the baby Josh. You know?
Thank you for doing your best and taking care of us. I love you too. Siyempre ikaw, baby ko. Hindi niya naman ako in-inform. Iiyak ang system
Kaya
dito.
nga
Ba't umiiyak ka din ka?
I bet everybody was crying.
Pero mas matutuwa ka dito. Ma, Happy Mother's Day.
Natatakot ako. Ano to? Oh,
Diba, kanina mo pa. Ayan sabi mo, yan ang gusto mo
Totoo ba yan?
Oo nga.
Never po ako bumili ng cellphone Lagi akong humihingi ng hand-me-down sa mga sisters ko, sa mga brothers ko. Kasi kesa gastusin ko sa cellphone, gagastusin ko na lang sa...
Gosh, mothers are like
Never po ako napili.
exceptional.
Sa kanila na lang.
So selfless.
Bihira kami kasi mga intimate moments ng anak ko Kasi nga, we're busy. And katulad ko rin siya. Matigas sa tao rin siya. Ako rin kasi hindi ako sweet. Hindi rin ako sweet. Kasi, ewan ko ba, parang wala akong time maging sweet kasi kailangan kong ayusin yung kung ano dapat ko ayusin sa buhay. Pero syempre, namimiss ko yung sweetness niya nung bata siya. So, pinayak mo ko. Pero happy ako. Simple things makes me happy po. Kaya, yun lang naman pangarap ko yung banding tayo, makasama kita, ganyan, ganito, kayo na ate mo, mga anak ko. Yun lang, masaya na kaya ako doon. Kaya thank you.
Ma, ang promise ko, syempre, ever since...
Gusto ko to, okay.
Syempre, tutulungan ko kayo. Kahit ano naman mangyari, nandito ako para sa inyo. Mentally, physically, ako ang, syempre, pinakamatatakbuhan nyo kahit anong problema pa yan.
Gosh, every parent would want to hear that, wouldn't they?
And ayun.
Kasi siya nang tumayong father sa papadre de pamilya sa amin.
So ayun guys, kaya kayo kung may chance kayo na i-celebrate, syempre, whether it's Mother's Day season or Father's Day season, grab it kasi alam niyo yung parents natin at yung family natin, tumatanda, nagkakaroon tayo ng sariling buhay. Hindi na natin minsan napapansin na, okay, ang tanda na pala ng mama ko or ng papa ko, diba? Parang ganun yung minsan mararamdaman mo. And, of course, tayo may mga kanya-kanya tayong ginagawa. So, pag may chance kayo, celebrate it with them, whether it's a simple luto lang, labas kayo, kain kayo sa labas, or kung ano yung usual bondings na ginagawa nyo. I think okay din siya. Katulad ko, I'm a perfect example. To be honest, hindi ko siya in-expect na magiging ganito kasi tough love talaga ako kay mama. Recently kasi para siguro dahil ang dami kong ginagawa. Then clouded person ako recently.
Gosh, he has really opened up to us, hasn't he?
Nagkaroon kami ng intimate moment ulit na ganito para mapakita.
Look at the way she's looking at him.
May labas lang ko ano yung sa loobin namin.
Nako, grabe kayo, Hana Bishi. Hindi ko kalain, papapakry baby nyo ako today. Pero thank you talaga for this moment na hindi ko to makakalimutan. Promise. From the bottom of my heart, I thank you. Kasi you made it possible for me to have my dream to be with my son in a simple way of celebrating the Mother's Day. Touch ako. Thank you so much.
Again, thank you to Hana Bishi
so
for
lovely.
making this day possible. Salamat po talaga. Grabe ang binigay niyo sa aming emosyon. Kanina, biruan. Ngayon,
they needed to do that together.
Buti naman at masaya na ulit tayo lahat. Ayun, salamat din ma kasi sinamahan mo ako sa syempre, first cooking vlog ko. Natin na.
Madadagdagan na ito. Ready ka na!
Kaya alam mo, kung meron kayo, syempre, pwede nyo rin si Mamang i-follow sa YouTube. Kaya pagka sa mga cooking vlogs niya or sa ibang activities niyo, ibang vlogs niyo.
Mga events kami sa SB19 Moms.
Ayun.
And Step Into My World po, may sarili po ako.
Oh, she does?
Roller coaster ride.
Roller coaster.
I must follow her.
Enjoy.
I enjoyed.
Kayo, nag-enjoy kayo?
Sobra.
Ayun.
Kayo ba?
Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye! Maraming salamat!
Thank you, Hanabishi!
Thank you, Hanabishi!
I honestly couldn't have picked a better duo for this. I love how from the very first vlog we're getting so much vulnerability, and they didn't expect that they were going to have this conversation, and they did. That is so authentic. This is what real relationships are like, and I just really love that people can refer to this and have a look at this. All the people that look up to Josh, they can see how he is with his family, and I'll tell you that without getting emotional, that I relate to Josh on a really different level, because the way that I grew up is somewhat similar. So although I, touch wood, have a good relationship with my dad right now, my parents separated. I was only 6, 7 when they separated, so I barely spent any time with my dad, and it was also just me and my brother, just 2 siblings, and me and my brother are quite close, so it was always just the 3 of us, and we were always brought up with this kind of saying instilled into us that we are stronger together. No matter what happens, no matter what roadblock you come across, even if we end up estranged or if we end up fighting, come back. This is home. This is home base. You will always have a safe space here, and we will always figure it out. And I always stick by that. We are stronger together, and whatever life threw at us, we, get through it. Day by day, we work our way through it together. And the interesting thing is that the dynamics of them 3 is somewhat similar to my family as well. I would say that my brother most definitely plays that father figure in our family of 3. And although on a day-to-day, I like to think that I'm in charge, and I do make a lot of the decisions if we're making family decisions, because I think that logically, I seem to be able to express myself a little bit better. I am more open to talking, and although I do have a temper, it's not quite as bad as my brother's, which is why I am entrusted to make a lot of family decisions. But there have been moments where I have been struck down by something, and I see my brother swoop in, and that at moments like that, I really realise that this is really special. This man is really incredibly special in my life, and that's when I realise he's my older brother, right? Because although when somebody meets us as a family, they often think that I'm older than my brother because of the way that we behave in our dynamics, but when it's necessary, he steps in. And it's really interesting because I relate to Josh and what he's been through so much, and I think that when he talks about tough love, I think that that's what we're like as a family. We don't talk about our emotions. We don't hug each other. We don't tell each other that we love each other. We're very hardened through what life has given us. We were really hardened, and sometimes I have noticed that I've missed out on experiences, or missed out on life experiences, or missed out on relationships or opportunities because I've hardened myself to the world. And I'm learning to get through it. Everything, it's a learning curve, and one day I will be better. But I just relate to Josh so much. And I think that's why when he cries, I cry, because I feel like that's a part of me. Anywho, I'm so sorry for boring you with my life story. Nobody asked for that. Do talk to me about this and how you felt watching this. I just want to give Tita Aldrine the biggest hug ever, and just thank her for instilling such amazing values in the young man that is Josh Cullen, because he is out there inspiring so many people, and he is so strong, yet he is so willing to let his guard down to be vulnerable like that with us. It takes a real secure man to be like this. I just love him so much. I can't wait to watch the other vlogs that they're going to give us, and hopefully they'll be a little less emotional. But I'm up for another cry again. It's okay. It's just between us, just between family. Thank you so much for watching this with me. I can't wait to read all of your comments. I hope that you had fun. And until I see you next time, take care. Stay safe. Bye.